Let's get right to the headlines here. We've got wintry weather. It's going to turn around and kind of just kick us in the shins as we go through the next 36 hours. It starts tonight, and we're seeing some rain showers pushing in on the FM area. But out to the west, we already have as much as 6 inches of snow. That's happened near the Bottineau area. Throughout Thursday, we're going to have a full day, even into Thursday night and Friday morning, of areas of rain, mixed precipitation, including some freezing rain and sleet, as well as accumulating snow. By Friday midday, this all wraps up, but not before leaving significant snow and some very icy conditions. Something new to Valley News Live. A first alert weather day has been called for Thursday, as we will track this storm system through all of our neighborhoods as we go through the night tonight and tomorrow. And here is a look at the very latest. We've been showing this European model throughout the week, and there's a reason why Hutch continues to show it. It's been the most consistent. And here is a look at how the night goes. Showers, maybe even some rumbles of thunder continue this evening and into the overnight as a first wave of moisture pushes through tonight. Snow continues out west. By the mid-morning hours tomorrow, a second wave of moisture starts to punch its way in. Areas of rain out east, mixed precipitation here in the Central Valley, and still snow out to the west. You're getting the picture here. A complex storm. Any change in the lower atmosphere's temperature dictates whether we get rain, sleet, or snow. And if we get some accumulating ice on the grounds, and I think the best chance of that, basically, Highway 200 and points north, that surface, that ground's still frozen in a lot of places. Down south, we're not as cold at the ground, so we'll likely get more rain in our south and east counties. So we go towards late in the day tomorrow, that line of snow and sleet starts sliding westward, and that trend continues into Friday morning before this system exits for most of us by around the midday hour. So that winter storm warning continues until the midday on Friday. Here's a look at the types of precipitation. First of all, melt it all down. I don't care what kind of things fall out of your sky. Melt it down 1 to 2 inches of moisture over a very widespread area. This will have an impact on our rivers. We'll keep you updated on that. It's not going to be traumatic, but we're already expecting things to get to major flood stage, so it certainly will not help. 5 to 10 inches of snow. Northern portions of our viewing area, straight through the central Red River Valley. I think northern Cass, I think western Cass, Barnes County, and Stutsman County, a good shot at some significant snow totals. Look where Fargo is. 2 to 5 inches of wet, slushy snow. You go farther to the east and things will be warm enough for more rain. Now, the concern for ice. Numerous areas where you see the brighter pink shade here have the potential to get an accumulation of greater than 1/10 of an inch. So factor all these things together. Travel will get treacherous as we go through your Thursday and into Friday morning. We do not want you sliding off of a road surface into a ditch filled with water. That could be deadly. So please, if you can change your travel plans, do so. Snow already taking place. Devil's Lake Basin in the Maddock area, we're likely seeing that transition move right through your porch now. And we have a rain shower that's moderate to heavy moving into West Fargo right now by the fairgrounds. That'll be pushing into Moorhead here in the next 5 minutes. You look out there and you can see the rain showers in the distance. 53 degrees, and we do have rain reported at the Hector International Airport. 50-degree weather here in the southern and central Red River Valley. But look at the cold taking hold out in the Devil's Lake area. That's where it's cold enough for snow. This complex storm tonight could bring some rumbles of thunder. Look at the wind directions, convergence in our area. And then for much of tomorrow, the winds will be northwesterly and westerly, Mike, as we have a couple of waves of moisture that will work their way throughout the day, lasting into Friday midday, with temperatures cold enough for snow, marching their way into portions of Minnesota. Finally quieting down in the afternoon, but not hot. The rest of our forecast period shows some pretty cool weather. Mike, Pam shared this photo from Windsor, and I think our scene in Windsor is definitely going to change as we go through the next 24 hours to 36 hours. Friday, 31 and windy, a cold day with the conditions from the stormy weather exiting by midday for most of us. And then we stay cool, which is good through the upcoming weekend. More unsettled weather as we gradually warm into next week. Mike?
All right, thanks so much.